All right, let's take a look at this one with a negative exponent and then it's raised to a negative exponent. So all kinds of negatives happening here. So I would say that the first thing I would do is distribute this -2. Pretty much every time you see a parentheses, you want to do that first, just like in order of operations that you've done forever, like PEMDAS. So I would say let's multiply everything by -2. Now, one thing you have to do is remember that that is 3 to the first. So 1 times -2 means that's 3 to the -2. And a to the first is another 1 times -2. So a to the -2. And then -3 times -2. So b is to the 6th power. All right, so make sure you're clear on that. Now we have to, of course, make sure we take care of negative exponents. So we got rid of the parentheses. Now let's deal with those negatives. So 3 to the -2, I can move that to the bottom. 1 over 3 to the +2. A to the -2 would be 1 over a squared. And then b to the 6th is fine. So it can stay on the top. So 1 times b to the 6th or just b to the 6th. Now you may have already said, well, 3 squared, I'm going to just go ahead and write that as a 9, right? And b to the 6th, there's no other b terms. And a squared, there's no other a terms. So that is the final answer. Yeah, that's the simplified version of this. I hope that was helpful. See you next time.